It's good? You like it?
Want to taste it? Oh! Wait, I got
Xavier, you are using the phone right now. Xavier. You are using the phone. Junior wants to play with the dishes. You know what? They don't belong to Xavier. It does not belong to Xavier. Junior has to play with them. You know what? Let's calm ourselves down. You want to do it together? What does it say? Take 3 big breaths. Let's take 3 big breaths.
You're messing up my dishes.
We need to calm down. I want you to relax, just like that. When you relax, then we will go back to home living. Okay? What is he asking you to do?